Did you know that one of the world's most popular superfoods could actually become dangerous, even fatal, if you eat it the wrong way? Yes, I'm talking about the beloved avocado, that creamy green fruit we spread on toast, mix in salads, or blend into smoothies. Avocados are packed with nutrients that can protect your heart, improve digestion, sharpen your memory, and even strengthen your joints. But here's the shocking truth. For seniors over the age of 55, 6 common mistakes with avocados can turn this healthy food into a serious health hazard. Stay with me, because mistake number 5 is the one that has actually sent seniors to the hospital. As we age, our bodies change. The metabolism slows down. Our digestive system becomes more sensitive. Medications start to play a bigger role in daily life. And here's what most people don't realize. A food that was once perfectly safe in your 20s or 30s can cause real problems after 55. For example, eating too much avocado at once can raise triglycerides and lead to weight gain. Storing it improperly can expose you to bacteria and toxins. Mixing avocado with the wrong foods can create dangerous combinations. And if you're on blood-thinning medication, eating too much avocado can increase your risk of stroke or clotting. But nobody talks about these risks. And that's why so many seniors make mistakes every day without even realizing the harm. The good news? If you learn the right way to eat avocados, this fruit can still be one of the best foods for your health. In this video, you're going to discover the 6 avocado mistakes seniors must avoid immediately. The safest and healthiest ways to eat avocado daily. Exactly how much is the right portion for your age and health condition. By the end, you'll know how to make avocados your ally, not your enemy. And remember, mistake number 5 is the most dangerous one of all. Mistake number 1, eating a whole avocado in one sitting. Avocados are healthy, but that doesn't mean you can eat as much as you want. One medium avocado contains about 320 calories and nearly 30 grams of fat. Now, the fat is mostly good fat, monounsaturated fat, which supports heart health. But here's the problem. Seniors typically have a slower metabolism. That means your body doesn't burn calories and fat as quickly as it once did. So, if you're eating a whole avocado every day, your body stores that extra fat. And over time, this can lead to unwanted weight gain, high triglycerides, which increase your risk of heart disease, and in some cases, clogged arteries. The solution. The healthy senior portion is 1/4 to 1/2 of an avocado per day. That's it. It's enough to give you the benefits, like improved cholesterol and better digestion, without the risks. But portion size is just the beginning. Even if you eat the right amount, combining avocado with the wrong foods can be just as dangerous. Mistake number 2. Mixing avocado with the wrong foods. How do most people eat avocado? On buttered toast? In fried dishes? With mayonnaise? Or topped with bacon? This is what I call a fat-on-fat combination. Here's the science. Avocado contains good fat. But when you mix it with saturated fats from butter, bacon, or fried foods, you create a cholesterol bomb. For seniors already at risk of heart disease, this is a recipe for clogged arteries. The solution: pair avocado with light, nutrient-rich foods. Best combinations for seniors. Avocado plus tomato with olive oil. Boosts lycopene, which helps protect against cancer. Avocado plus boiled egg white. Protein without the cholesterol overload. Avocado plus lemon and black pepper. Helps digestion and prevents bloating. But let us move to mistake number 3. Because this is the trap almost every diabetic senior falls into. Mistake number 3. Eating avocado with sugary smoothies or fruits. You've probably seen recipes for healthy avocado smoothies. But here's the danger. Many of these include bananas, mango, honey, or sweetened yogurt. Now here's why that's a problem. Avocado slows digestion. That's normally good because it helps regulate blood sugar. But when you combine avocado with high-sugar fruits, your body struggles to process the fat and sugar at the same time. For seniors with diabetes or pre-diabetes, this can lead to dangerous blood sugar spikes. The solution: if you love smoothies, blend avocado with berries, like blueberries or strawberries, cucumber unsweetened almond milk. This keeps your blood sugar stable and still gives you that creamy texture. Now, the next mistake has nothing to do with how you eat avocado, but where you store it. And it's one of the most overlooked dangers. Mistake number 4, leaving cut avocado in the fridge too long. Here's a fact most people don't know. Once you cut into an avocado, bacteria begin to grow immediately, even if it looks fresh. That brown surface isn't just oxidation. It can also be a sign of harmful bacteria, like Listeria or Salmonella. For seniors with weaker immune systems, these bacteria can cause severe stomach pain, food poisoning, even hospitalization. The solution: once cut, eat your avocado within 24 hours. Always cover it with a squeeze of lemon juice and plastic wrap. This slows down bacteria growth and oxidation. But what about avocados that aren't cut yet? Mistake 5 is a hidden danger, and it has actually sent people to the ER. Mistake number 5: eating unripe or overripe avocados. Not all avocados are safe to eat. Unripe avocados contain a natural toxin called persin. In small amounts, it's not dangerous. But for seniors with weaker immune systems or kidney problems, persin can trigger stomach pain, nausea, or vomiting. On the other side, overripe avocados with dark spots or mold can contain fungal toxins. Some of these are actually carcinogenic, meaning they can increase cancer risk. The solution: how to test your avocado safely. Press gently. It should be firm, but slightly soft. Remove the stem. If it's bright green underneath, it's perfect. If it's brown or black, throw it away. Never take a chance with a spoiled avocado. Your health is worth more than $1. And now for the final mistake. This one is the most dangerous because it involves medication interactions. Mistake number 6: ignoring avocado medication interactions. This mistake could literally be life-threatening. Here's why. Avocados are rich in vitamin K. Vitamin K affects how your blood clots. And if you're taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, Coumadin, too much avocado can reduce the effectiveness of your medication. This puts you at higher risk for blood clots, stroke. Even heart attack. Avocado oil can also interact with blood pressure medications by lowering blood pressure too quickly. The solution: if you're on blood thinners, limit avocado to 140 under 40 frutonati. Eat it consistently, not none one day and lots the next. This allows your doctor to adjust your dosage safely. And always talk to your doctor if you're unsure. Let's quickly go over the 6 mistakes again. Don't eat a whole avocado in one sitting. Stick to 1 to 4 to 1 2 daily. Don't mix with greasy foods. Pair with light veggies or protein. Avoid sugary smoothies, especially if you're diabetic. Don't keep cut avocado longer than 24 hours. Never eat unripe or moldy avocados. Be careful if you're on blood thinners or blood pressure meds. Eat avocado the right way, and it truly is one of the best foods for seniors. Remember, small choices lead to big changes. You don't have to give up your favorite foods. You just need to eat them the right way. And at any age, it's never too late to protect your heart, your brain, and your energy. So enjoy your avocado, safely and wisely. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. It really supports the channel. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss tomorrow's health secret. Finally, let me know in the comments. How often do you eat avocado, and will you be changing the way you eat it after today?